got some. You hit, you knuckleheads, and you know it's gon' hit. And it's all because of you, so rest in peace to K-Swift. Go shorty.
Hey guys, what's going on? So I just got my scrubs from Uniform Advantage, and I'm so excited that they're here because I got them custom. Because I got them custom embroidered with my social media handle on it. So this is how they come. And there was also this magazine in there. So I'm gonna start with the pants because I'm most excited about oh, I just saw a glimpse of my top. My top got my social media handle on it. These are the pants that I got. They look like they're gonna be kind of big though. They might fit a little snug. A little snug. I don't know. But I'm most excited about this top because it has my handle on it. And y'all get to see the real life plug. I love it.
She say she feels safe over here. This is where the shooters
I love
be.
it.
She say ain't no paper over there.
The real life plug. That's your girl. Holla at me.